So today I'm going to show you how to change documents that are from Microsoft Word or Google Docs into PDFs. So here is my Microsoft Word document, and to change it into a PDF document, I am simply going to go up here to the File menu. I'm going to go to Save As, and instead of in the Format area having it say Word document, I'm going to change it to say PDF. Then I'm going to click Save, and it's going to save it to wherever I would normally save it to. All done. Next, in order to convert a Google Doc to a PDF, what I need to do is go up to the top right to the File area. I'm going to go click on Download As PDF Document. I click on that, and it just downloaded my Google Doc into a PDF document. Finally, in order to get either of these into a Google Drive, what I need to do is go to the Google Drive file that I want to put it in. Then I'm going to simply drag it into the folder from wherever I have it stored. And there it is. It's ready to go. One final thing. If you have a Microsoft Word document that you want to get into that folder, it's the same thing. You just click and drag. I'll use this screenshot over here as an example. I'm going to click on it and drag it right in. And it's in the folder. So there you go. You can now convert your files into PDFs, and you know how to get them into the correct Google folder. Good luck and have fun.